get my that's our thing.
Say anybody can compare like you. You need proportion to make it right. It's not in the bottom of so many tagless ways, so let's get comparing the numbers, we're taking in one that we're no. Balance so good, it's looking so good, in the right is that good, yeah. Batman looking young, dominant, man's mind confident, dominant. It's so free in our project, if it does will be logic. Solve it like an origami, turn the page on the story. If it's even more dreamy, keep on lining, no skimming. It's karaoke night, but get the mic, we achieve it.